Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the Forgotten Temple in Hytale. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually press M on your keyboard, and you'll see this was actually my spawn point, and you see this cross structure here. This is the Forgotten Temple, and there's a Forgotten Temple gateway right here. So all you need to do is actually here at the top, you just follow that and reach to the Forgotten Temple. Then you just enter this section here, and all I want you to do is come down here. You'll find some mob bosses. You need to fight them and just enter that portal. So once you go ahead and fight this one, you enter that portal. So here is the portal right here. We're just going to enter this portal, as you can see, and I have now just joined the Forgotten Temple, and you can go ahead and explore this as you wish. And that is how to find the Forgotten Temple in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, and while you're at it, make sure you subscribe as well. It really helps me out.